Good evening, students. This is one more video which is based on Spearman's rank correlation coefficient for repeated ranks. Here, the ranks are repeated. That means the values are repeated in both x and y. That is what you have to remember. Here, the formula for repeated ranks is rho is equals to 1 minus 6 into summation d square plus CF. What is meant by the CF means correction factor, where the correction factor is the formula summation m into m square minus 1 by 12. This is the formula for correction factor. Why we are using m here means m is the number of items or values which have common ranks. So in this way we are going to find out the values of m1, m2, m3. How many times the values have been repeated in your given data. Yeah, here n is equals to number of observations, which are nothing but pair of observations, and d is as usually rx minus ry, the rank of the x series minus the rank of y series. And the correction factor, I already told you the formula, summation m into m square minus 1 by 12. And m is equals to number of items which have been common ranks. So here is the problem. Calculate the rank correlation coefficient to the data given below. So x and y. See here in the values of x, the value of 18 is repeated, and in the value of y, the value of 25 is repeated and 30 is repeated. So what is the value of n here? N is nothing but number of pair of observations where you are having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So n is equals to 7. So this is the question. We are going to write the values of rank of x series and the rank of y series and the d and d square. The columns what you are going to find out are same, but the ranks, how to find out the ranks are not same. Why? Because here the ranks are repeated. So here first we are finding out the ranks for the x series and the ranks for the y series. Okay, the ranks for x series. What is the highest value of x? Here it is of 40. We are going to give the rank as 1. What is the next highest value? Check this, which is of 18. So 18 is repeated how many times? It is repeated twice. That's why first initially you have to write m1 as twice, that is 2. Then we are going to take the average for those ranks. How many times it is repeated? 2 times it is repeated. So what are the next consequent ranks? That is of 2 and 3. We are going to take the average for second and third rank. That is 2 plus 3 by 2, which you are going to get 2.5. That the value of 2.5 we are giving to 18. 2.5 and 2.5. What is the next rank? What is the next successive rank? After completion of third rank, you are going to give the fourth rank. Where it is? After 18, the next least value is 17. So for the 17, you are going to give the rank as 4. Now what is the next least value? 15, which is of giving 5. What is the next least value? 12, which is of giving 6. And the last value, that is of 10, which is going to give the rank as 7. So this is the rank for the x value. Now we are going to find out the rank for the y value. How we are going to find out the rank for the y value? We have to select the highest value in the series of y. What is the highest value in the series of y? 30. So 30 is repeated twice. That means the value of m2 is equals to 2. Here again you are going to take the ranks average, the first and second rank. If the value of 30 is repeated thrice, we are going to take here m1 as 3 and we are going to take the average for the first 3 ranks. But here the value of m1 is equals to 2. That means the rank is 30 have been repeated only twice. That's why m1 is equal to 2 and we are going to take the average for the first 2 ranks, that is 1 plus 2 by 2. How much? 3 by 2, which you are going to get 1.5. So at the value of 30, you are going to write 1.5 here and 1.5 here. What is the next least value? Which is of 25. So after completion of successive ranks of 1 and 2, we are going to get third rank. But here the value of 25 is repeated thrice. That means you are going to take the average for the next 3 ranks, that is 3 plus 4 plus 5 by 3. Average, that is nothing but sum of the observations by number of observations. So here you are supposed to take that 3 plus 4 plus 5 by 3. How much it is of 3 plus 4 plus 5? 12 by 3. You are going to get the value as 4. The value of 4 we are going to give corresponding to the rank 25. Here 4, here it is of 4 and here it is of 4. So we are going to give the next successive rank as 3, 4, 5 completed. Now what is the next value? 6. So the value of 6 is, the rank of 6 is giving to 19 and the last value is nothing but 15 is the value which you are going to give the 7th rank. So we are going to find out the value of D. D is nothing but Rx minus Ry. 7 minus 7 0, 6 minus 6 0, like that you are going to find out the remaining values. Now we are going to find out the D square, that is 0 square 0, 0 square 0, 1.5 whole square 2.25, like that you are going to get the summation D square as 4.5. Here you have to give the value of M3 as 3. Now we are going to find out the correction factor, where the correction factor is equals to formula 1 by 12 into summation m into m square minus 1. Why we are supposed to take I is equals to 1, 2, 3? Here the value of ranks, that means you are going to get the value as 3, m1, m2 and m3. That's why m1 into m1 square minus 1 plus m2 into m2 square minus 1 plus m3 into m3 square minus 1 you are going to get. Where m1 is equals to 2, m2 is equal to 2 and m3 is equal to 3. By simplifying this, you are going to get the correction factor as 3. Where we are going to substitute the correction factor in your formula, that is rho is equals to 1 minus 6 into summation d square plus correction factor by n into n square minus 1. N is nothing but 7 and correction factor is 3 and summation d square is 4.5. Just we are substituting all these values in your formula. You are going to get, on simplification, you are going to get the value of rho as 0.866. That is nothing but 0.87, where always the rho value lies between minus 1 to plus 1. Here you got rho is equals to 0.866. That means the value of rho lies between minus 1 to plus 1. Thank you.